The Rack Shop is proud to present this Ford F-150. We've just installed the new Thule Xscape truck bed rack. This is made of the upright Xscape towers and the Xscape load bars, 70 inches in length. The mid-size trucks would have a 60-inch bar as well. There's also a variety of different fit kits. This is the 09 kit for your more standard trucks, but there are also Toyota and tonneau applications as well as Ram. So it's the tonneau covers that would fit it would be like the XR from Retrax or the EQ model. Overall, you have a 500-pound carrying capacity in the lower position and up to 300-pound capacity in the upper positions. There are no locks included with this, but there are tamper-resistant security bolts throughout. So it's still a pretty effective way to help secure your rack. In this truck, we've also installed the decked in-bed drawer systems. So overall, the deck system can handle up to 200 pounds in each drawer, 2,000 pounds on top of the flooring. Check with your truck to make sure that your truck can handle that same type of weight. This also has an accessory pack, which comes with some deco cases, some dividers, and some other accessories that are pretty useful, including the tie downs. So total height, you have a 17-inch height at the low position and around 27.5 inches at the uppermost position. And overall, the rack itself with the load bars are around 63 to 65 pounds depending on your application. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase any of these items, please click the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.